big show force right here. Got some police. Is this security? Oh no, that's CAL FIRE and police. CAL FIRE / police right here.
How you doing, bud?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh, and they got music. Let's see what happens. It's hard to tell between the two of them. It's like National Geographic or what? No, okay. He's CAL FIRE.
We're just walking. Yeah, you've been waiting in line for a while.
These guys have the CAL FIRE patch, but they have guns. What's going on with that?
Hi.
Hey! Hey, do you guys have CAL FIRE like as acting police today, or?
No, they don't act. They don't act as police. So CAL FIRE has multiple divisions. So you have firefighters, paramedics, and then you also have arson investigators that have peace officer powers.
Oh,
so
okay.
they are basically like the police of the fire department.
Gotcha.
So yes, we do have CAL FIRE, but they're arson investigators, so they are peace officers.
Okay. Is there other cities, police departments in the area too?
Yeah, so on a large scale event like today, we have other agencies come and help us. So from throughout the county, there's
Gotcha.
at least 4 other agencies that have offered to send us support officers come help us out.
Okay. Cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What's your name?
Sergeant Hernandez.
Sergeant Hernandez. Thanks.
How are you doing tonight?
Not too bad.
The crowds?
Yeah, I came to watch the fireworks. I don't like the crowds, but you know.
Yeah, no, the fireworks show starts at 9 o'clock.
9, right? Cool.
Have a good one.
You too, man. I made them all leave? Oh, man. I was trying to hang out with them. They just all left. Did you guys see that?